how have costs evolved, Mayank, for health insurance? So what were the costs, say, for example, 20 years ago or 10 years ago, and what are they now? Have they reduced? Has health insurance become more affordable for people?
So before I answer the question of cost in terms of affordability, that's another, I would say, in some sense, myth that is there, whether it's affordable. The cost of health insurance today, if you buy it for a family and you buy a 5,000 cover, will be less than in the range 15 to 20,000 at best if you're a family.
For a whole family?
For a whole four people, you, husband, wife and kids. Is that a large amount for a family to pay in the context of where consumers today are spending? Consumers 20 years back, India used to be more a savings economy. We used to think twice before spending. Today's consumers spend, and they spend. I love to give this example of consumers won't mind spending to buy a popcorn of 300 rupees, where they can buy it outside the theater at 20 bucks, or they can get that popcorn at home at $2. But they wouldn't mind spending that money. And 300 rupees, 2 movies, 600 into 12, 7,200 rupees spending a popcorn alone, right? So question is value. Are consumers seeing value in health insurance? So is the category being able to demonstrate that you are getting peace of mind, you don't need to worry about it, and therefore don't worry about this cover, and go ahead and buy it. The cost of health insurance per se has, of course, for this per, let's say, lack of coverage, I wouldn't really have the data in mind 20 years back, but of course it has gone up. It has gone up in line with medical inflation, right?
Sure.
Cost of medical treatment has gone up. Quality of medical treatment has gone up. You get more advanced treatment today. So of course, if you want eligibility for being funded for these better quality treatments in more corporate, high-end hospitals, then of course the cost would go up a bit. But it has not gone up in line with medical inflation. It has gone up much, the increase is much lower. So I don't really necessarily agree with this affordability in terms of actual cost. Issue is, how do we demonstrate more value to our consumers?